I made a video about MACBOOK Air, how I was always using PCs my whole life, and at work I used PC, and then both my kids convinced me to get a Mac for rendering and using like Adobe Premiere Rush, which works great and it's real easy to learn. But what I wanted to share with you guys is something that I found out yesterday, which is pretty cool. Right now, well, you could see from my screen that I have 394 subscribers. I think I have like over 700 videos. I just post stuff all the time. But what I found out yesterday was you can go on Rumble and set up an account. And I just had a Rumble account like 3 days ago that I had already signed up for, but I didn't have any videos. So I was playing around with Rumble yesterday and I found YouTube channel sync. So you sign into YouTube and Rumble starts pulling your YouTube videos over to Rumble. So I did that, and I just said everything from the beginning of this year, which is like 99% of my videos are from this year after I retired. So I set it all up and it started pulling it, and some of them are very big, so obviously it's going to take a long time, but it's just pulling them over slowly. But these are going to be monetized and I don't have to do anything. I just set it up to start pulling them over from YouTube, which I've already been using. So I just wanted to share that. I don't know if a lot of people know that. I haven't made any money on either one yet, but it would be interesting to see. It would be interesting to see if I start making, because you can make money almost immediately on Rumble. You have to get certified, and they have to approve account verification and all that stuff, and get a bank account set up or a PayPal set up. But once you start posting on Rumble, if you can get a following, which I don't have, you can earn money without YouTube's where is it? YouTube has this thing, 394 out of 1,000 and one of the following, 391 out of 4,000, or 141, or I have 141,000 out of 10 million. I mean, it's not like it's never going to happen, but it seems like when I look at it this way, it feels like it's never going to happen. But Rumble, you might start making money in a couple weeks. And I'm just linking the two accounts together. So I just wanted to share that. And in the last couple months, I've gotten pretty good with the MacBook. So if you are considering, like I did, going from IBM or PC or whatever you want to call it to Apple or Mac, it's really not that difficult of a transition, and Mac actually does do a lot better on rendering videos and all that. I haven't had one problem with the Mac working on videos, and I blue screened all the time on my regular laptop. So I'm not 100% Mac. I still have other things. I mean, I'm not going to have I don't have an iPhone. I still use Droid, but I'm on board with MacBooks and Apple products, and I'm also on board with Rumble because it seems like it's going to be a good platform, that complements YouTube, and we'll see which one makes money first. That'll be my next video. When I first make money, I'll make a video. So let's see, control command.